gonna have to find some words.
Hey Mum, I'm recording it. Can I upload it to you? Let's have a look. Where is it, Mum? Oh no! No! No way! Oh my goodness! How did it get down there? Right, come on, Mum. Dun 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 dun. Put the grass in the box. I've got gloves on, as you can see. Is it hurt?
It must be. It may not be, I don't know.
Must have fallen down the waterfall. Toffee! That's the name of my dog, by the way. Toffee! Right. Dun dun dun.
Sit back. I'm not too sure how to get it.
Can I post it to my friends?
Oh no, don't go anywhere, don't go. Oh no, don't go that way. Please don't go.
Fly up! Fly up, fly
No,
up!
don't go up there, I'm gonna get to you. Don't go there, I'm gonna get to you. Oh no, 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 no.
Just hop down and get it!
Why don't you go in there and get it?
What? Why me?
Oh, hang on, I haven't got the correct footwear. Just get my
It might poo on me!
Right, let me just get my wellies on.
I've not got the correct footwear on either!
Get my wellies on.
I'll keep an eye on it. Christ, it peeing. Oh no, that's just the water. Oi mate, get over here. It's okay, we're not trying to hurt you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, jeez, it reeks of... Yeah. Mum, it's trying to fly up. Mum, are you sure you don't? Are you sure you want that thing to get dirty?
Well, I can wash it, can't I? No big deal. Woo! Slippery.
Go on, Mum. You can do it. Get, Mum, get.
I'm too fat.
I'm not getting it. I'm not having it poo on me. Jesus Christ. Oh no. Where are we going to put it?
I don't know yet.
Do you want me to keep it shut?
Ugh, slippery.
It's just so it won't get out. And because I think it's hurt. Mum, are you going to nurse it back to health?
I'll take it. Tell it back to someone. Oh.
Jesus Christ. Right, Mum.
Look, I think it's injured. Yeah, it looks injured. Let's get it to the vet.
Come on, let's get it to a vet.
Right, just keep it there for me. Let's put this back.
Are you okay? You okay, man?
Put a shout out on Facebook. Can take it.
Mum, just take it to Pets at Home.
Oh, it's a good idea. They're open this Sunday.
I thought you already knew that.
I forgot.
Mum, should I come with you?
Let's have a look, a little beauty. It's all right, mate. I think you're injured. We'll try and we'll get you to the vet. Come on, darling. Let's take you.
Can't upload this to YouTube.
Stop. Let's stop.